Hello everyone, I am Soumya. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make hexagon shelf using popsicle sticks. Things you need: popsicle sticks, glue gun, scale, pencil, paper. First, we are going to create the base of our shelf. Using the length of the popsicle stick, we are going to draw each line to form a hexagon. Start placing 3 sticks along every other side of hexagon. Secure and place the sticks with hot glue gun. You can also use normal glue. Next, layer on last 3 sticks. Now the base is complete. Now you need to continue the same process. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. Please like, share and comment.